Are you using video for your tweets? Today I want to talk about why using video in your tweets can be beneficial and also how you can create those videos using Canva. Hi, I am PixelPia, and as I said, I'm going to try to answer the questions why and how. And let's start with the why. Statistics have shown that if you use short videos in your tweets, they get more responses, more retweets and likes, and they increase the visibility of your tweet as well as the engagement. What content can you make into short videos? Well, it might be a teaser for an upcoming event or a video you have coming on YouTube. It can be an ad for a product or an event. It can be as a response to a question you have got, or maybe a short little question and answer. No matter what the content is, it is easy to create these in Canva. And first I want to show you 4 different templates to demonstrate what type of elements you can use in your tweets. This is the first one. As you see, it right now looks like a picture, but it's actually a video that is set as the background and then some text. Let's take a very quick look at it. The next one is also simple in nature, but it only uses graphics. It has no video element. The third one here is a little bit more advanced, and it also had audio in the background. It has music playing. I will not play the music, and I want to advise you, be very careful with what type of music you put in. Make sure you have the right to use it. And the last one I'm going to show you is using text. It's using a frame, but it has put the video element inside the frame. Before we start, let me tell you that this can be done both in the free and the pro version. As always, some of the elements are not possible to use in the free version, but there are enough to create an interesting video. So we start by create design and we write Twitter video, and here we have it in the right format, which is 1600 by 900 pixels. So let's click there, and as you can see, we have a lot of templates here. Let's first take a look at how we can edit a free template. Let's take a look at this. Let's start by clicking on the video and detach this video. I click on it again and hit delete. So now I have an empty frame here. I have actually uploaded a video. It's just from one of my regular tutorials. I cut out the little piece where I just say, "Hi, I am PixelPia." It's just 1.9 seconds. So let's take that video and drag it into the frame. Now I can double click and move it so I am centered in that frame. Let's say that we want to change the style. I click on styles here, and since I have set up a brand kit, I can choose my own brand kit here, and just by clicking on it a couple of times I can see the different options I get. Let's see if we can change the fonts here. Hi, I am PixelPia. So that's how I can easily use a template. But let's try again and start from scratch. This time I am gonna do a short video without using any video within it. So we're gonna start with the background. And I think I want to use this one. It's black and gray. It can be very effective to use colorful things on top of this. So next thing, I'm gonna add an element. So I search for frame and I want something a little bit more organic, maybe that one. Now I want to find a photo. Maybe we should add a short little video. Let's see if we can find a video with rain. And I want to find one that is free, maybe this one. This, as you can see, is a little too long. It's 27.2 seconds. By clicking on the little scissor up here, I can shorten it by just grabbing the end or the beginning of the video and drag it till we have 2.5 seconds will be enough. Now I just want to add my caption, so I go to text, add a heading. When it rains, it pours. All of this was made with the free elements, background, text. And let's take a quick look at my Twitter account. And here we have it. That is a tweet that will stand out more than most of them. So those were a few examples on how you can create video for your tweets. On Monday on this channel, I will have a live stream as always. And this time we're gonna take a look at how you can use Canva to create an interesting YouTube channel art. Hej då!